everybody, it's Gal from Blue Rose Paper Treasures, and this is my latest project. They're chocolate boxes and candle boxes, but you can put anything whatsoever in them. And I'm just going to, it's nice to see how they all open, because you can't tell from the photos how I actually open them. So I'm just going to quickly go through each one. So we have, the first one here. This one is just a little chocolate box, 3 for a Rocher, which are quite common for little gift packages. And this one measures 4 by 1 3/4 and I think 1 3/4 high. And that's just a little box with a little lid. So that one's quite straightforward, that's an easy one. My next one, I designed this as like a 5.5 by 4 1/4 card. And this one is just 6 little tea light candles in that box, and that box measures 3 by 4 3/4, and that's attached onto the card. And the ribbon comes off, and I've actually done a double bow, which was stupid of me, so I'm going to have to snip that. And the lid comes off up the top, so they don't fall out. Okay, you don't really need the ribbon on that. It's quite solid, they're not going to fall out. And there's a little 3 by 4 card, little gift card in there in a little pocket. So that's that one. The next one, I wanted another Ferrero Rocher box holder. And so this is the same sort of thing. It's got a top opening lid so your chocolates won't fall out. And this one measures 4 by 4 and the box measures 3 by 3. So that's that cute little box. And that one just secures with ribbon. So you just wrap the ribbon right around the outer, the card base basically of the box. And I just used a little circle cut out from there. I didn't want to waste it because it's such pretty DSP. There's that one. And the last one, this is quite a big one. I'd have to show it. This one is a candle holder, and this one measures more roughly 4.5 by 5, and this one opens up and then opens down and then goes left to right, and these are really big candles. Oh, I haven't stuck that down yet. Haha, funny. At least I can take this off, and these are actually quite big candles, so they're bigger than the tea light candles. Where's my tea light candles? They're much bigger. But you could put cookies in here, you could put any sort of Christmas chocolates in there. It's a nice big box and it's nice and sturdy. And if I'd actually stuck it to the card base, just put glue all over the back and then attach that. And you can put pockets in there, photos, you can put little photos in there if you like. And that's just the last one that I made using the DSP. So that's all the projects. I just wanted to give you a quick look at how they all open, just in case you were wondering. And there they are. So that's it. Just wanted to show you that. I shall talk to you later. Bye.